Is your Hyundai Elantra 2024 key fob not working, showing a dead LED, or failing to lock-unlock your doors? The most common cause is a dead CR-32 battery. These batteries typically last 1 to 2 years, but can drain faster in extreme temperatures. Before you start, gather these tools: a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, and a new CR-2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You can find these batteries at most stores for around $1 to $5. Locate the small slot or seam on the back of the key fob. This is usually near the key ring attachment. Gently pry open the case using your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Apply even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. If the case is difficult to open, try warming it slightly with a hairdryer to make the plastic more pliable. Remove the old CR-2032 battery. Note which side is facing up, positive side. Insert the new CR-2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old battery. Snap the key fob case back together until it clicks shut. Test the functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons within 10 feet of your Elantra. If it still doesn't work, consult your Hyundai owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a dealership.